Okay guys, today we are coming to you again with this amazing area video of one of the powerful neighborhoods in Accra. This place is known as the Independence Avenue, which has the National Theatre building, the World Trade Center building, the Movenpick Ambassador Hotel, the ADB Towers, and many other big towers or high-rising buildings that we can find in the capital city. This place is just an amazing and beautiful area in the capital city. Please enjoy this video and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel as you watch the full video to the end. Thank you.